So, if you have a Ryobi 1700 PSI pressure washer and it's not working correctly, I'm going to show you a couple of the things you can look for to see if you can solve the problem yourself. First, see if your GFCI plug works. In my experience, a lot of these go bad. So, let's plug it in and check. If you get a green light, it should be working. There's a chance that it's not, but if you have a green light, also come up and look at this. If you have a green light here, then you know for sure the GFCI plug is working correctly. Hey, this is Editor Tyler here. I forgot to mention that if you press the switch and the green light goes out and the motor does not turn on, then you probably got a short somewhere in the motor. At that rate, I would consider just getting a brand new unit or finding something else, because this one is probably shot. Alright, back to the other Tyler. If this is not on, then more than likely your plug is bad here. And this is easy to replace. All you have to do is just take these 4 screws off, pop this cover off, and then let me show you when it's already have open. And then there will be 2 screws down here to remove for the cord relief, and then the 2 screws up here to take your wires out. And then just replace this, about 20 bucks on Amazon, and you should be good to go. If that light is green and it still doesn't turn on, another thing to check for is there's a switch underneath this. So you have to pop the tank off, and all these screws that go all the way around it. Take all those off, this cover will pop off, and then you can get access to this switch. Now I have another video describing how to clean out this valve and how to access that switch. And while you're in there, it wouldn't hurt to pop this off, pull this out, pop this off, pull this out, and take this apart as well to clean all those pieces out. Alright, hopefully this was useful. Hopefully you can get your pressure washer running again. Thanks for watching.